Hamjambo, karibuni kwa somo letu la 5 na kwa somo hili tutasoma maneno yenye vokali O. So in this lovely lesson we are going to talk about words that are formed from the vowel O. First, we're going to form syllables, and from the syllables, we can form words. So normally, just a repeat of what you've said before, Kiswahili words are read as they are written. Kusoma silabi zenye vokali O. O, bo, cho, do, fo, go, ho, jo, ko, lo, mo, no, pu, ro, so, to, vo, wo, yo, zo. Unganisha silabi kuunda neno. So we're going to combine different syllables to form words. Example, kofia, kofia, which means hat. Toka, which means leave. Toka. Choka, which means tired. Kio, which means mirror. Jogo, which means cock. Konokono, which means snail. So let's go through the words together. Kofia, toka, choka, kio, jogo, konokono. Read the words choo, toilet, kijiko, spoon, kidole, finger, yote, all, robo, a quarter, soko, market, godoro, mattress, toa, remove. So I'm going to read the words again. Choo, kijiko, kidole, yote, robo, soko, godoro, toa. So now this is a combination of syllables with a combination of consonants with vowels to form syllables. Read the sentences. Chora kijiko na kofia, which means draw a spoon and a hat. Goti na kidole ni sehemu za mwili. The knee and the finger are parts of the body. Konokono yupo kwenye kioo. The snail is on the mirror. Toa kofia kichwani. Remove the hat from your head. I'm going to read them one more time. Chora kijiko na kofia. Goti na kidole ni sehemu za mwili. Number 3, konokono yupo kwenye kioo. Number 4, toa kofia kichwani. Asanteni.